How to fix Facebook Marketplace blocked. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option, and on apps option search here for Facebook. Now you have to scroll down, click on storage, and now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop. And all this, you need to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook. If it's not updated after this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.